Hi there, do you know that you can actually get rid of your skin stretch marks if you know how to make use of your skincare products, or if you know an effective product that works on stretch marks? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you amazing soaps that you can use to get rid of stretch marks. Not just the soap alone, but how to make stretch marks oil that will work beautifully. And after making use of this beautiful soap that I'm going to be listing for you, I'm sure it's something that you actually want to know, because getting rid of stretch marks, like I usually say, is not an easy thing. So if you think a product that works on something, just hold on to that product. Soap I have that works on stretch mark, which people have made use of the soap and they attest to the fact that it works. Some of the soap I have made use of it, some of it people have made use of it, and it works beautifully well. It's smooth as silk soap, smooth as silk. So I'm going to be leaving the pictures of the soap here for you to see. It's worked beautifully when it comes to getting rid of stretch marks, scar and dark spots and all that, and it clears pimple, acne. This soap works on so many skin issues. And I have my Kojic Sand soap. Kojic Sand soap is a whitening soap, so especially for those people that have dark stretch marks, this Kojic Sand soap will help you to lighten that part of stretch marks. And I have Mikako soap. This Mikako soap, I have used this Mikako soap. In fact, this is just like herbal soap. This soap is very good. It works on different skin issues, and it also treats uneven skin tone and bleached skin, so it works well. And Tura soap, remember Tura soap? Tura soap works better also on skin issues like stretch mark, eczema, ringworm, acne, pimple. It works beautifully. And Tutaika soap as well. Tutaika soap is an exfoliating soap. It will help you to exfoliate that part of the stretch marks. Vitamin C Intense Whitening soap works on stretch marks as well. And Lika's papaya soap works beautifully as well on stretch marks. So if you can get this soap, or if you can combine like 3 to 4 of these soaps together, you will get an effective and amazing result on skin issues as well. So imagine if you can mix Mikako soap, Tura soap, Crusader soap, Bio Oil soap, Bio Oil soap, and add all this together. So you imagine you adding all these soaps together, you get an amazing and effective result. So what you will do when you have gotten all this soap, the thing that you need to do, if you can combine 3 soaps together, you create them together and you mold them and use it on that stretch mark. It's a plus to that stretch marks, okay? The result that you get will be different from using just ordinary of this soap that I mentioned here. And when you are done with this, the next thing you will need to do, you need stretch mark oil to use, because this is soap that you are using. After the soap, you need oil to make use of it on that stretch mark. And the oil that I will recommend for you is recovering oil, which I'm going to be leaving the picture here. Recovering oil, miracle powder, and the last oil will be snake oil. Some people call it python oil, some people call it snake oil. So when you get the snake oil and the recovering oil, because both of them is oil, and you mix them together, you need a pinch of this miracle powder that you are seeing here. Just a pinch of it. Just a pinch. Let's just say baby spoon, and you take small from the baby spoon, you put inside and you mix it together. So the best way for you to use all these soaps is not just to apply on your skin and pour water and you believe that you have made use of for stretch mark something. You will not see results. The best way to make use of this soap is for you to apply this soap on that part of the stretch mark and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before you wash it off. After you wash it off, that is when you make your use of the oil I just taught you how to make now. If you are doing it consistently for 2 weeks, you will see an effective result. So it's not something that you use today, tomorrow you are not using, because if you are using it consistently, and your skin will get used to the products that you are using, and it will work beautifully for you. But if you are skipping it and all that, it's just like you are wasting your time and your precious money. So the best way to make use of these products that prescribing for you is for you to leave this soap. If you can mix 3 of the soap together, you get an effective result, let me tell you. So it's not just for you to get the soap, one soap, and you are using it. You can mix Mekako, Smooth as Silk, and the Bao oil together. You can put them into your mortar that you are not using to pound anything pepperish, and pound it together and mold it. Or you can use your grater to create the soap. If you have watched my video, you see how I create soap and how I molded that soap. That is the way that you do to this soap here. Apply on that part of the stretch mark, put water on the part of the stretch mark, then use the soap and scrub that part. Just rub it and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it off, and make use of the stretch mark cream. You will surely see an effective result. So just go and try it and give me your feedback. Okay, so that's what I have for you today. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin, do take care of your health. See you in my next video.